Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very delicious and yummy egg sauce. This egg sauce is so yummy. You're going to love it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and don't forget to always leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And also help me to share this video. To my new subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful and amazing family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your mercy. I'll sing about.
And for my ingredient, I have my egg. I'm using 5 eggs for this recipe. And then I have my green onions. That's spring onions or green onions, anyone. I have here my chopped onions and garlic. I love garlic in my egg sauce. Chopped tomatoes. And then I have here my pepper. This is fresh pepper. So now we are going to start now to heat up our oil. And in a dried pot, I'm going to be heating up my oil. Once the oil is hot, I will add in the onions and the garlic. And then I'll be adding in curry powder and thyme. I'm going to mix this very well now, and then I'm going to allow the onion to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the onions is fried, I will add in the chopped tomatoes and the fresh pepper. I will add in my seasoning powder now. I'm using the all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to stir this now to combine all of this together, and then I will cover the pot and allow this to fry. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please help me to like this video if you have not liked this video, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, okay? Subscription is free. We upload wonderful and delicious recipes every week. While the tomato is frying, I'm going to break in my egg. Back to our sauce, guys. Our tomato mix has fried very well now, so I'm just going to pour in my egg. So guys, our egg is cooked now. Look how yummy the egg sauce is already looking like. But no, we are not done yet. Okay, guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Please help me to like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are yet to subscribe. Okay, and don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section. So now I'm just going to finish it up with some green onions, guys, and then I'm going to mix this very well, and then our sauce is ready. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be enjoying this delicious and yummy egg sauce with. Guys, let me know what you'll be enjoying it with. And guys, our delicious and yummy egg sauce is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section, and also help me to share this video. Okay, I had mine with boiled yam and I enjoyed it, guys. The sauce came out so delicious, so delicious. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, bye.